It is a new month, and that means it is time for our monthly essential oil recipe box from Simply Earth. Hi, I'm Katie, the Crafty Blog Stalker, and while you're here, I would love it if you would subscribe. And if you don't want to miss out on any of my upcoming craft tutorial videos, make sure to ring that bell. Now, before we break into our September box, I just want to tell you a little bit about the monthly essential oil recipe box. The monthly essential oil recipe box is a subscription. It is $39 a month. You can cancel anytime. Inside you will find 4 full-size oils, 6 recipe cards, as well as some other goodies inside the box to help you make some of those recipes. Every 6 months you'll get the big bonus box. So you'll get it with your first subscription box order and then every 6 months after that. The big bonus box is absolutely free. There is no additional charge. And we'll go into what's inside this in just a moment. But I did want to let you know of a coupon code that Simply Earth has given me to give to you. If you enter the code TheCraftyFree with no spaces, you can get a free $40 gift card with your first subscription box order. That means you can buy one, get one free, or you can use that $40 gift card to purchase other supplies in their shop. Either way, that is such a great deal, and I'm so excited that I can share that offer with you. Now let's take a look at what's inside our big bonus box. This is always the same, it never changes. And on the months when you receive the big bonus box, your monthly is inside, just like that. And then on the other months, when you don't get the big bonus box, your kit will just come in this smaller box here. So inside the big bonus box, we have beeswax, 100% pure. Everything whenever possible with Simply Earth is 100% pure. We have coconut oil. This is the cold press, so it's the hard coconut oil, almond oil, and another coconut oil. Now both of these are carrier oils, and this is the liquid coconut oil. Then you'll also get 6 amber roll-on bottles because every month you have a roll-on recipe, and 6 dropper bottles because every month you get a diffuser recipe. All right, this is my favorite part. Let's open up our September essential oil recipe box and see what is inside. Yay! Okay, first we're going to look at the oils because the oils are my favorite. We have bay. That smells really good. That's like a very good head clearing scent. Cedarwood. Ooh, that is a very clean, woodsy scent. I like that one a lot. We have Defender. Out of the 4 oils, we always get one Simply Earth exclusive blend. So this month's is Defender. That one smells really good too. These are all such great scents. And Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus. These all smell like very spa-like. Let's see what our theme is for this month. It'll say on this little paper, Everyday Essentials is our theme. And then this paper goes into breaking everything down a little bit more. We have a paperboard tube, weighted eye mask pillowcase, some dried lavender flowers, a multi-purpose cleaner, and then let's take a look at our recipes. You can see that the look of the recipe cards has changed a little bit. We have a Beauty Rest weighted eye pillow, Home Defender cleaning spray, Breath of Fresh Air, Breathe Deep roll-on, September Stroll diffuser blend, and Sleepy Bug chest rub. Ooh, these all sound so awesome. I'm so excited to make these recipes. And then of course with every box you get the matching stickers. So I love how the roll-on and the diffuser bottle labels match. You can see they are the same. And then we've got top of the bottle stickers. So if you keep your oils in a box, the label is on top, so you don't have to pull each oil out to see what it is. So I love the matching stickers. Make sure to use the coupon code TheCraftyFree no spaces, at simplyearth.com to get your free $40 gift card with your first subscription box order. If you'd like lots of free tutorials, make sure to visit my home base, thecraftyblogstalker.com. Thanks everybody. Bye and happy crafting.